Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so normally this would be the time for Saturday Showcase. I have decided that going forward, I am no longer going to do Saturday Showcase. I might revisit it, but at this time, I'm kind of putting it off, putting it on the back burner, I guess. I originally started that last year when I started doing more videos so that I could show what I created throughout the week, and I wasn't making that many videos. Now I'm making more and more, so I don't feel it's as necessary. If you're ever curious and you want to see things that I am making outside of the videos, my blog is the first place I would say to look, and Instagram. I post there probably the most. My blog is number one, and then Instagram would be number two. I'm also posting on Facebook and several groups and stuff, but my blog and Instagram would be the place to see them. Coming soon, because the tag videos were so fun to make and I had such a good response to them, I am going to be starting Mornings with Danny, which is what I thought I would talk about today. I originally was going to wait until the new year, but I kind of miss making those daily videos. I'm still toying around with when it'll start, but here's a little intro. I just kind of wrote it out because I didn't want my face to be on screen today. I aim to do 3 to 4 videos a week, maybe more, maybe less, but that's my goal is 3 to 4. And I wrote down some ideas for me. It may be these things, it may be other things. Not sure. They're just going to be quick little videos, no longer than 10 minutes. Most will probably be around the 5-minute mark or less. And I'm going to do like Memory Decks Monday because I'm really having so much fun with those Memory Dexes. Tag Tuesday, got to keep those tags going. Color for Wednesday, where I'm going to start doing some Memory Dex cards with my favorite Copic combos, so I thought I would share those. Or I would do a Let's Color video. So that would be on Wednesdays. Thursday, I have several things because I get bored real easy, so I wanted to have lots of options, like a fun folder interactive Thursday, throwback Thursday, or show you what the new challenge is at my group. There's a stamp for that. Then I thought it would be super fun to do Fantasy Friday. That'll be things like mermaids and dragons and fairies and all unicorns, all those fantasy type things that I love to do and I can lump up together. And then maybe Slimline Saturday or Sketch Saturday. Maybe I'll grab a couple different sketches to highlight and make. Or Sheet Load Saturday. And then on Sunday, I'm going to shop my stash and see what I can create using what I have in my stash. So that will be starting, like I said, I'm still kind of planning out if it'll be this month or in January, but it will be coming soon, and it'll be Mornings with Danny. Again, very short videos, just to the point, sharing some of my creations and hopefully inspiring you. I loved having so many of you say that I inspired you with the tags in November, so maybe this will continue to do that. As always, thank you so much for taking time to watch my videos, for taking time to like them, to subscribe, and to leave comments. You really do make my day. I am still in awe how much my channel has grown over the last year. At the end of last year, in December of 2021, I think I had maybe 130 subscribers. I'll have to double check. I'll leave that information in the description box. But wow, what an amazing year it's been. I've taken time to figure out what I like to do, and I like to do those short little videos. So that's what we're going to go with in the new year, or maybe sooner. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I look forward to continuing to inspire and hopefully have you create along with me. Talk to you later, and have an amazing day.